Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back with another video. We're going to do a tutorial on an adjustable bangle bracelet. If you've watched any of my Tucson videos, you would have seen this jig that I got at the Jesse James beads retreat that we had in February, right before the pandemic hit. I haven't used it since then, and I haven't shown you guys how to use it, so I thought I would do that today. You can also, they also have a tutorial on their channel. However, I'm going to do something a little different. They wrap theirs with fairy silk, and I don't have any of that, so we're going to do a copper version. And this I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off, and it's a pretty good deal. So $2.50 for 15 feet of 16 gauge wire. So okay, so I cut about 14 inches. What I'm going to do is place my wire between the first peg and the acrylic jig, and I'm going to leave about 1.5 to 2 inches, and I'm just going to curl the wire up around the right side. Okay, and that's gonna loop it onto the jig, and then I'm going to slowly, so we can get the right shape, get that in between the left peg and the acrylic, and we're gonna walk this wire around our jig to make the oval for the bracelet. Now this time we want to come up and come inside this peg. We're going to come around all the way to the other peg, so we're crisscrossing the wire, and then we're going to come inside and go around the left side of the jig on that left peg. So there's our bracelet shape, and we can let that pop off. We're going to cut down the sides, cut down the loops on the sides because they don't need to be that long. We just really needed them a little bit longer to get them around the pegs. And I'm just eyeballing this. And then what we're going to do is grab one of the loops and bend it at a right angle to the rest of the bracelet. So I'm going to bend this one towards this wire and this one towards the other wire. So I'm going to do that carefully so we don't bend the rest of our wire. So 90 degrees, or well, 90-degree angle. Okay, and then we're going to do it on this side too. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is loop that around our wire, and then do it the same thing on the other side. And then we have a an oval. Now I'm using 16 gauge wire. I would think the thicker the gauge, the less it would distort. But what we're going to do here is just take our pliers and we're going to clamp that down around our bracelet and close the loop. Just being careful not to mar the wire too. So you can use nylon tipped pliers to do this part. Okay, so we have our base, our bangle base at this point. Yes, it's not like the regular forms that you would see with the hardened wire. You can work harden this a little bit, and the more you kind of move it around, the more it'll kind of toughen up, but you don't want to crease your wire. So here's our bracelet. So you can do so many different things. You can grab fibers, yarn, leather, ribbon, anything, and you can wrap it around here and then put on some charms. Today I'm just going to put some charms on. I have a bunch of jump rings in different sizes, and I don't know that I have like a little, There we go. I have some things that I'm just grabbing because I didn't think this out. So you might have seen some of these in my most recent videos, but I'm just going to grab some. I have impression jasper, some African glass. I have a charm, and I'm going to create some cute dangles. I gotta go grab some thinner wire. I'll be right back. Actually, I don't need to. I forgot. This little thing had some head pins in it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Super, super easy. I'm not even gonna use, I don't think I need any spacer beads or anything. I'm just gonna do some, like a quick stack here. That's cute. And just do a little wire wrap. Yeah, I'll wire wrap it and then use a jump ring. But you can wire wrap it onto your bracelet, no problem. Just a little easier to do it this way. Grab my other pliers to pull the wire around. Going furniture shopping this weekend, and I've been dreading it. I'm just so sick of making decisions that I don't care. I haven't been able to find a couch, but I just don't at this point care, as long as it's a couch that Goldie can't fit under. And it's somewhat not hideous. I think I'll end up buying it. I'm going to go ahead and snip off. Oop, I'm going to have to do this closer to my face because it's really in there. Snip off the tail of our wire. So here's our first little dangle. That's so cute. I just love it. And then I'll do another one. I'm just going to sauce it like a sandwich my African bead here between two impression jaspers. Yeah, I like that good, well enough. We're gonna wire wrap that one. Oops. Okay, and I'll just snip that little tail off. And before you curve these ends, you can try and slip on some beads if you want some beads to be actually on the wire. I've tried slipping them on once it was curved, and it really didn't work. It really didn't work. Only some very large hold Hishi beads were able to be put on that way. So I'm going to grab some very thick jump rings here. Oh goodness, these are very thick. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to decide on which side of the bracelet I want it on. Probably this one. Okay, and we'll close that up. So we have our first dangle on there. I'm going to put one on the charm. I think I'm going to do more than 3 dangles though, because it just looks a little lonely without more than that. I just have to find another. Oopsie. And you can absolutely put them around the back. I do that. I have that on some of my, I have some pre-made forms like these. And I've done that on those too, and it's always fun. and I love personalizing them. Okay. This is day, can you believe it? It's day 71 of my bracelet challenge. Good Lord. Can't believe it. Okay. Put this one on. So there's the start of our charm bracelet. I think I'm going to, do I have any more? Yep, I have some of these. I'm going to do just something like that. Oops. And I have a bag of like bone beads sitting right here from Beads and Dabble. I'm going to see if there's anything in here that might work. Oh, this guy's big. He's cute. That would look good on there. Oh, that would look so good on there. What else? What else? That guy's going to look nice. See, these would be really nice on the bracelet, but I couldn't get them on because I had already curled them. Okay, I think that'll be good for now. Let me grab this guy right here. Okay. The cool thing is this matches one of the bracelets that I did the day. I'm not even trying, and I did it. I was not even paying attention. This is matching the day 70 bracelet. In color, at least, with copper and the dark blue and turquoise. So I'm liking this bracelet more, but oh, Goldie's being super cute right now. She's on her back trying to sleep. Okay, so we're going to make some more dangles. This guy, obviously the hole's too big for just the regular head pin. I'm just going to put an impression jasper on the bottom. And we'll go from there. Because I just don't feel like getting any spacer beads out. If you guys would be ashamed for me if you could see what my apartment looks like right now. I know I'm like supposed to be in the middle of moving, but it's not even like moving mess. It's just me making being a tornado in my apartment and not putting anything else away. So here's pliers. I like this color combo. Be prepared to see these colors again, the darker blue with turquoise. I don't think I've made anything like that recently, except for a day 70 bracelet. Okay. All right. Well, that one's kind of a disaster wire wrap, but it was weird because of the big hole in the bead, and a spacer bead would have been the optimal ideal, but I just don't want to get anything out right now. So let's see, we'll do one more. We're going to do one more wrap at least. Gosh, I really want that to be on the bottom, but the head pin's too small. Nope, I just want the 3. Okay, see how easy it is to just make a dangle? Just get a bunch of beads out and you have some cute charms. I'm hoping with the 3-day weekend I'll get to do some kind of blitz this weekend. Maybe that Hishi bead blitz that I want to do with those BB craft beads. We'll see. I want to do a bunch, like I want to do like 3 or 4 things with Hishi beads, but I want those to be a little bit more planned out. Blitzes are really just to get your brain moving, make a bunch of things without thinking, and I really want to design something special with those Hishi beads. So, all right, I'm going to cut this one off, grab a couple more jump rings. So we have 3 more. Let's get these 2 guys out of the way. So we have 3 more of those. I'm just checking to see. I don't think I have any more copper charms around me that I think would fit with this necklace. Just making sure. I have a button, but no, or this bracelet. I said necklace. I actually had this set apart for a leather bracelet that I was doing, but thankfully I have another one of these that I don't want to spoil any more than that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put these real quick. So this one's short, this one's long. Okay. Once I move, I also have more of, I have like, oh, goodness gracious, I have a bunch of these bracelets, but blank, like already made bracelets that are circles, and I'll show you guys kind of what I do with those. Okay, sorry, that was a little awkward trying to do that on the camera, but I have one more dangle, and I'm going to put it on the actual bracelet this time, not in the front. So just slip that on. And you could do this with as many dangles or charms or whatever you'd like. You could even put some crimp bead covers around the wire. You can even slip crimp beads on beforehand and then have some beads stationary around the bracelet throughout. So anyway, I thought this was super cute. And then as you can see, it's adjustable and it will fit any wrist. I'm so glad I remembered that I had this jig, and I will definitely be using it more in the future videos, but I wanted to show you guys how to make it. Again, it says artistic wire on it, but I think artistic wire is by Beadalon. I think I've seen these in the craft stores. You can certainly find them on Amazon or the internet. I'm sure Etsy has them too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for a cute little video of my little baby doggy, Goldie. All right, have a good weekend, guys. Bye-bye. Snookums. Hi. Hello. Hi, cutie. You ready for a 3-day weekend? Yeah. Oh, hi, babe. Look how cute you are. Say hi to your fans. Hi, everybody. I hope you have a good Labor Day. Bye-bye.